coffee going. All right, coffee's ready. It is time to officially prepare to leave this spot. It's still very early, but I want to leave before the wind picks up. So I'm about to put on some clothes, get out of my PJs, and yeah, get ready to go. When it comes to driving in Dom, I prefer to get up in the morning and basically drive into the sunrise. It's nice being one of the few people on the road, so I don't have to worry about much traffic, and I can just listen to my music and just look at the scenery. It was really nice leaving out of Nebraska until this happened. Y'all, so that was so scary. Like, I'm still kind of shaking, and like it was nothing. So I just got pulled over. Let me turn this music off. I got pulled over by the cops, and I'm just like, what in the world? Because like, I don't speed, because I just don't speed. There's no reason. So the cop was following me for a while, and I was getting off on the expressway because I needed to use the restroom, and I wanted to tell y'all about my gas mileage and stuff like that. So I'm gonna still tell y'all about the gas mileage. But the cop pulled me over like right off the on-ramp, and so I got off, and then, you know, he's like, hey, you kind of swerved a little bit getting off the expressway. And I'm like, okay, which I'm like, no, I didn't, whatever. Because I knew the cop was behind me, so obviously I'm not, you know, I'm driving normal. Anyways, he's like, so you kind of swerved a little bit. So, you know, I just want to make sure you're going to get where you need to be, you know, safely and stuff. So can I have your license, registration, and proof of insurance? And so I'm just like, okay, registration's from Vermont. License is California, insurance California, right? So he's like, oh, you have a whole bunch of different states and stuff, so go ahead and come sit in my front seat. And I'm just like, okay. So I turned off Dom, rolled up the windows, let Jada baby stay in. He was nice, white male, you know, was like, yeah, I will roll up your windows a bit so your fur baby doesn't, like, you know, try and get out. And so I'm like, oh Lord. So I go sit into his front seat, and, you know, he starts talking, like trying to get information, you know, where are you going from, where are you coming from, where are you going? And then I just kind of, something told me to just start talking, y'all. Started talking about going to school full time, and, you know, he thanked me for my service, and, you know, just kind of told him everything, the separation, why I was in Washington, and blah, blah. I was just keeping him talking, y'all. Trying to key with him, and, you know, stuff like that, because I know I didn't do anything wrong, but I know that he could be, if he wanted to, be nasty, because my actual physical driver's license that I carry is expired, but my license itself, if you run the numbers, isn't expired. So dude get on things, start telling people to run stuff, and he gave me my warning, let me go about my way, told me safe travels on my way to Florida and stuff like that. But I was scared. Okay, so now that that's out the way, we're at the gas station. I'm about to go use the restroom and also get some gas, y'all. But prior to me getting all of this work done on Dom, I was noticing I wasn't getting really good gas mileage. I was getting maybe 9 to 10 miles to the gallon. And I would normally fill up when Dom is at a quarter tank left, and normally at a quarter tank I get, you know, at least 250 miles. But recently I haven't even been, you know what I'm saying, touching 200 miles. But now back to the good gas mileage. So all of that money that I put into Dom, getting those sensors and everything taken care of, it helped out on that end too, so that's good. So once I pump gas and stuff, I'll be able to see how many, I'll have to do a little bit of math to see how many miles we got to the gallon. Okie dokie. I got some snacks, I got more coffee, I have an hour and some change left to drive. per my calculations, we got like 12.5-ish miles to the gallon, like 13 miles to the gallon. So I'm happy about that, y'all. Did I say we put in 20 gallons? I think so. I don't know. I talked to my sisters. I had to call up my sisters for my support because I was still a little bit shaken up about my encounter with the popo. I was scared, like, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm just happy, you know, everything went the way it did. It was nothing crazy or anything. It just kind of like threw me off. But I'm gonna turn back on my Anita Baker, create my nice little vibe up in Domino, and then finish out this last hour and a half of my drive. And then we're gonna be at this spot for 2 nights. So that's nice. So yeah, back to This Is Anita Baker Radio.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut, I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go.
Be on the left. Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound?
Looks like technically we're the only ones here because those people, they have their stuff hooked up, but I don't think anyone's home right now. But yeah, I chose this spot just so Jada Baby can have the most space. Like, yeah, it is right when you come up front. I would have loved either that spot that they have, or one of the primitive spots, which are all the way to the back. Those spots are $6 each, but I'm looking at the weather and we're not going to get much sun, so I'm just going to go ahead and do the $15 a night. And I have an electrical site. It's trash here, it's showers. I can give Jada a bath. The electric's right here, and there's water, but I just filled up all my water. Whatever. And yeah, I'm happy to be here, and I'm just like, yeah, I'm good. I'm kind of sad that the weather is not that great. I thought we were going to be in Essex, Iowa, per the map, but we're not. And Essex was supposed to have nice weather, but whatever. This girl, look at her. She really think we're in a national forest right now. All the way over there. I love when she just goes full speed ahead. It's so cute. All right, let's do this registration. Number 1. Make sure it stays. The girl ran over here somewhere, and I just gotta put this up. That girl is such a free spirit. Guess she gets it from her mother.
Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth, I will not speak it. Don't make sense now. Give it a good, put that on good. When it gets hard, I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go pull with that jump off my back. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Catch a break. Better way. Oh,
Alrighty friends, it's time to whip up some dinner. So I'm using my leftover basmati rice with the smoked salmon. I'm gonna make like a fried rice with leftover vegetables. So this is like the last bit of my little bit of vegetables. We have some zucchini, those butt parts of broccoli, and green bell peppers. And then here's the different sauces I'm gonna use, and I'm gonna scramble up a little bit of egg whites in there, and gonna have like a little fried rice situation for dinner. So let's get into it, my friends. I've added the butter, the vegetables, and we have some garlic and ginger in there. And in the background, that's that Lord of the Rings series on Amazon Prime. It's the season finale, y'all. Veggies are done. Got the egg whites trying to go. I'm gonna do all of this in one pan for easy cleanup. So we have the fish. I'm about to add the rice, the vegetables, and then all the sauces, and it's all gonna come together. I'll be back. Don't mind it, Bridesmaids is in the background. This movie is so funny, and I just want to laugh tonight. Whew, we just got back in. It's about to be 9 o'clock, and it is going to be a low of 29 degrees tonight. It is so cold already, like so cold. But we have the heater going, and it's just gonna be so nice and cozy in here. Woo woo. Yep. Girl. Come on, child, it's freezing. Cold, girl. There's frost on the ground. That ball kind of frozen looking. Oh yeah, it's icy. Which one you want me to throw? No, you want me to throw icy. Yeah. You are crazy, girl. It's freezing, child. I'm about to go inside shortly. breakfast. Some cinnamon bread and some egg whites. Ain't that right?
You wasted one of my magazines.
Yeah.
Rather, why are you? We came to help Mr. Ostenfeld find love, and we did, with no consequences. What was that?
I was right. This was a man.
He's just trying to help me, and oh, that could have been me.
I still wonder how, yeah, you always make it right. And maybe it's all chance, but either way, you showed me how to reach for the best of myself. It's all good when you show the way, yeah. 'Cause even if I fall, ooh, I trust you'll stay, yeah, stay. And through the dark and cold, I know it's all good, 'cause now I'm the best of myself. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I have tried so hard, stumbling in the dark, to learn how to see what you already saw.